Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to study the Strapi REST API parameters. So Strapi has a very big API um, uh, parameters, and that can be used in lot of functionality. So I'm going to cover all of this. Okay, so now the first thing is that if you install Strapi, if you have used Strapi, you already know there are three type of section that can be created. One is the collection type, one is the single type, and another is the component type. Obviously the single types are the home page, about us page, or contact us page, mostly the CMS based pages that we do. The component is something that we create one time and used inside the pages, obviously. And now in the pages that in the collection type is like a CRUD operation, obviously. And I have two of this collection type. One is the price one, another is the user one. Okay, so just a second. Yeah. So if I go to the home page, I can see I have only one heading and nothing else in this. So let me add another component from the existing component that I have. I mean, I can add as SEO slider, just like SEO, and finish that. Okay, just save this, and this is a predefined component that is already built in inside this. Just wanted to show you the things that are required actually for SEO. This is just I'm giving a test and everything, like nothing to give here. I can just give a published. Okay, so the first thing, there are in the REST API there are certain operators like the populate, the fields, the filters, the local, the sort, and the pagination. We will cover all of it. Okay, so let's start with the populate one. So if you have this kind of relation, or if you have a complex type of relation where SEO is SEO as a component is here, another you have developed two or three more components that is also there, then you can use the populate type. So in the home page, if you use this populate endpoint, and you can see the SEO is coming. If I remove this populate part, this will not come, the SEO will not come. So it can go a deeper level. It can go level 1, level 2, or it can go the full level. We oftenly use the full level as there are a lot of structures that have been to the positions. Now coming to the second section is the fields and filters. These are the most important things. And filters, there are a lot of filters like equal to filters. So if I go into this user section, you can see I have three users, 2 and 3, and I can filter around them. Okay, so now going to this place, if I filter filter field name equal to the action and then the value, if you submit, you get the exact filter. So you can see the power of Strapi using filters. Now equal to, not equal to, then it will return two other things. Okay, okay. So there is another filter, lesser than 500. Now if you want to see this, you have to go for the price part. In the price part, I have three chart, 200, 300, 500 price are. I have told him to filter lesser than 500. It is returning 300 and 200, obviously. So it can be used in very different ways, like lesser than equal to 500. So that can be also be used. Greater than 200, if you click on this, it can be used. So greater than 200 is 300 and 500 is the data is returning. Greater than 500 or equal to 500, greater than equal to 200, if I give 200 here. It will return 300 and 500. Greater than equal to 500, 300. It will return 300 and 500. Okay. So it's working. In. So I want to filter with the IDs in query actually. So in queries, I have this 2 and 3 data. I do not have. So let's remove this one. I do not have the data again. Just first get the price queries 8, 10 and 11. Okay. So I can have the ID 11 and 10 and I get the data. Okay. Not in, just giving 10 in the not in. It's written all other data except that 10. So with only these APIs, we can filter the entire data. So if you are using an e-commerce like with the Strapi, if you are building an e-commerce, this can be used in product listing, product sorting, product filtering, everything. So now coming to the content. Content is something that you can search with like actually the chart one. So it will return the chart one data actually. It's just simple like that actually. Not content, that means it does not contain the chart one. It will return chart 2 and chart 3 obviously. Okay. Now between is something very important actually. So 100 to 500 I'm searching products. I'm searching product from 100 to 500 in a range. So it gives me all the product list. Here is the price chart obviously, but actually it can be product as well. Start with, starting with the word chart, it can return the data with the word chart. So I'm searching with the field name, the filter, the field name here, and then the parameter over here. The end with dash 1 and dash 2 and dash 3 is coming, dash 1 is also coming. It's like a like, so it comes with the details value as well. And or, these are very important. When you are filtering the data, you wanted to tell this and that. So this is the AND parameter. The AND parameter comes with an array, so you have to put the array over here and then you can filter that data. And same with the OR one. Now in the OR, you have to put the array and then the first the OR, then the array, and then the phone number, field name, and the equal to sign. It comes with that data. Sorting is one of the most important things. So I have done two-way sortings here. The sorting with one field, the sorting with two field actually. The sorting with one field is, so if you want to sort, like sorting with the ID ASC, if you want to sort like ASC, you can sort with ASC or you can sort with DESC. Both can be done. So field name colon ASC or DSC, that will sort you. Sorting with the two fields actually. Block can be sorted ASC like this as well. Okay. So this sorting with this two field. Pagination is also there. You can paginate. So if I go there and give this data, I do not have huge amount of data. That is why the pagination is coming with the full strength. If you go on the second page, there is no data is available for this. But if you wanted to paginate, you can use this pagination API. I think this is all that we have for the sorting, filtering, and pagination. And this can be divided into three parts: the filtering, the complex filtering, and the deep filtering. Okay. So all of this is being covered over there, and the sorting and the pagination. I think this video will help you a lot in doing the sorting and filtering and getting maximum of the Strapi APIs. Thank you for watching this video. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for